The AstroAI snow brush and detachable ice scraper ensures a trouble-free experience removing built-up ice and snow from your vehicle. Its two-in-one design provides versatility for all the winter conditions you'll face. Its PVC bristles won't freeze or harden even at -40 degrees Fahrenheit, protecting your paint from scratches and scuffs. The detachable scraper's ice knuckles give you the advantage over your frozen windshield, while guaranteeing your glass remains unblemished. Its warm, non-slip foam grip delivers comfort for your hands during the coldest tasks. The brush scraper combo disassembles into two parts that easily stow in your car or trunk. The AstroAI snow brush and ice scraper clears the way to keep you going on all of life's adventures.